Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Nissan Titan. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Nissan prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.